Good morning, my YouTube friends and family. Hope you're doing good today. Hope everything's going wonderful. Your day's getting started. It's a bright, sunshiny day here, about 30 degrees. Beautiful, crisp morning. Well, you saw Jeff and I dumping the dump trailer. That was from where we've been tearing the floor and walls and stuff out at that house we're working on. I dropped Tim off this morning over at a house over here that's got a bad faucet in the bathroom. The shower was dripping some and needed to be rebuilt. The handle, new washers and springs, and the toilet needed a flapper and just put all new insides in the toilet. He said he was having trouble getting the springs and the washers to line up and fit. We're headed over here to check on him. This is a bathroom you hadn't seen, so I'll take you in there and show you that bathroom I remodeled. I think instead of me calling you Geritol Man, I'm gonna call you Milkman. I think you know I don't know a lot about plumbing, and you figured out ways to milk this out.
We may have to go get a new ball.
Ball? What? We're needing to work. We ain't playing ball. Well, you want volleyball, basketball, football?
That faucet. I believe it might be, unless I've got it this time.
Huh.
Put it back together 4 times. This is the 5th time.
All right, here's this bathroom. Let me just show you. Had plastered walls. They were in bad shape. They were cracked and everything. So I came in and tinned the walls, as you can see, and then busted the tub out, put a shower pan in, tiled all of this, and of course Tim's got it kind of covered up with all his work, but you can see where I bought a new cabinet, and then I made a top for it and put the tile on it there. So this bathroom, I was pretty proud of it when I got done with it. It turned out really good. I know you're probably not getting to see a big view of it, but oh, you're good. But there's the shower that I tiled in, put a pan down. The next time I do something like this, I may wind up building a shower bottom, tiling it. I'd like to get to practice of doing that. So you see here, this is what goes in. Like, you see those 2 little cup holes right there? That goes in there. We just went and got a new one of these because our old one we felt like was letting water come by it, and it come with a new that. There's the new one. This is the old one.
Look at that, them 2 things. They went right in there.
They went in better. So the springs went in better on that.
The rubber cup did. See, them pushed up in there.
Oh yeah,
they went right in there like
they fit better
than those other ones.
Yep. Yep.
They were a little stiffer or something.
Tim replaced that, rebuilt the toilet. I don't normally pay for the. I don't pay for the water on my rental houses, but this house here, the water's in my name. The reason it is there's an apartment with this house, but the water's together, so there's no way to fairly divide that water out. So I just kept it in my name. Well, the water bill made a big jump last month, so I messaged the people, and this one here said that his toilet stuck on him the other day, shower was dripping a little bit, and the bathroom sink was dripping a little bit. So I said, we will be over there and get that fixed. I don't need another big water bill. I don't know anybody that's ever rebuilt like a bathroom, faucet, or especially a shower or tub. Man, they are tedious. They can be a pain to rebuild. Our water is turned on high. You can see we don't have any drips. New sink in. Is the water on to the toilet? Yeah, say turn it on, let it fill up. We may need to get a little acid for that sink. It's slow, ain't it?
got hair and stuff in it.
Yeah, we'll go. That filling up all right? Yep. Okay, now that we got the sinks and drains and all that mess fixed and rebuilt and whatever, and that's always tedious hard work, what we got now is, and I'll kind of tell you a little more right here. Yesterday when the electricians were here and they were taking all this off, he asked me, do you have any trim coil that needs to be covered up? Well, sometimes things move too fast and I've got a lot of things on my mind, and it just didn't register with me, and I didn't have any trim coil. But what we needed to have done was, before this was put up, is put a trim coil inside in here, if you can see in there, because that's exposing the old wood. You know, this is aluminum siding somebody put on some time back, and that's wood. So what we should have done is cut a little strip of trim coil and have put in there. And the only thing I was thinking about is when he said we needed to cover this hole up with some trim coil, is that was all we needed to do. But after I looked at it and I see how that wood's exposed, we need to do more with this. So Tim came up with the idea, and he's been measuring and marking, as you see. He's going to build a little box that's going to go around just like this and come all the way up, and then build a lid over, like over the top of it, bend a lid over. And then we're going to silicone everything, screw it into the side of this metal on both sides, silicone all this up real good so the water don't get behind there on that wood and, you know, rot it out. So that's what we're going to do. You know, it'd have been simpler to just put a flat piece of flashing in that and siliconed it up real good, but we've never been accused of doing things the easy way. Tim's got that thing fixed. Let me get in here on this side, Tim, and show it. Siliconed.
Silicone.
Yeah. You still got the cigarette hanging out your mouth?
No, I just dropped it. It fell out.
We didn't know. We didn't know.
To grab it, and it stuck in my fingers.
We didn't know if this stuff was flammable or not. Jeff and I, he was smoking and applying that, and Jeff and I was staying back. I was like, man, that you putting that on there, there's a gas pipe. There's a gas pipe right there. He'll all blow us all up. Well, guys, we've had a good day today.
It's been aggravating, but it's been good.
Well, get on this side. I can't turn the camera around over there. There you go.
It's been good. It's just been a little aggravating.
Yeah, when you're dealing with them little washers and springs, and you know, when you're fixing a faucet, man, they can be aggravating.
Goes to show you that a man that tries his best, he still messes up. You just got to keep digging with him.
Yeah, we finally got it, and it's working perfect.
No way.
But just wanted to show you that box right there that he made to go around that. We'll paint it gray, and you'll never know it. Looks good. He's got it all siliconed up. The window guy was just here. I didn't get him on video. He's a guy that you don't do no video with him, so. But windows are ordered, measured, and ordered. And he said, hey, you know the way everything's running? Don't know when I'll get them. Guys, y'all want to say goodbye?
Y'all have a good day.
All right. We'll see you on another video.